Aloha YouTube, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. In this video, we are going to talk about companies you use every day that can actually boost your income. These are companies that pay dividends, which are portions of their profits that they distribute to their shareholders. Dividends are a great way to earn passive incomes and build your wealth over time. So if you're interested, to look at these 8 great companies that can actually boost your income, sit back, enjoy. Do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you're not yet a subscriber and you're interested in dividend investing, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I put out. Also, remember, please, all of this is not financial advice, it's just me sharing. Without any more delays, let's take a look at these companies. So the company I want to talk about first is Coca Cola. As one of the largest beverage companies in the world, Coca Cola consistently rewards its shareholders with annual dividends. So quick take a look at it. If you go to Simply Safe Dividend, you can see their dividend safety score is 80. You got your dividend yield of 3.06, and then you got your market cap. And then overall here, 103 years of consecutive, without reduction. Payout ratio is 69. You can see the dividend growth the past 20 years is 8, last 5 years is 4, and then your latest is 4.5. And then 60 years of consecutive increases, 103 years without a reduction. Payment details: you get paid quarterly in the months of April, July, October, and December, and your annual payout with $1.84 per share. If we go swing now over to tip ranks, based on their analysis, they rate it as a buy. You got your 63 with a 6% upside, and then the high would be 67. 63 is the average, and then the low of 60. And then the next one I want to talk about, another everyday company that you probably use but don't realize that it also pays dividend, is Johnson & Johnson. Ticker symbol is JNJ. Known for its consumer health products, Johnson & Johnson has a long history of paying dividends, making it an attractive investment option. So if you want to take a look, go to their website, get information on it. Mostly, if you want to look at it, go to the investor tab, where it tells you a little bit more information. Swinging over to Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, they rated as 99, which is very safe. You got your dividend yield of 2.95, and then it's a mega cap. Quickly looking at the key metrics, you can see dividend streak of 107 years without a reduction. Payout ratio is 44, and then your forward payout ratio is 46. Dividend growth the last 20 years, 9%, last 5 years, 6%, and then you got your latest of 5%. And look at that, 107 years without a reduction, 60 years of consecutive increases, and then you get your payment details. Paid quarterly in the months of March, June, September, and December. Then your annual payout would be $4.76 per share. And then going over now to tip ranks, based on their analysis, they rated as a moderate buy. And then you got your 174 up with 8% upside, with the high of 195, the average of 174, and then you got a low of 160. And then the next one I want to talk about is Proctor Gamble. Ticker symbol is PG. This consumer goods company offers products that are likely in your daily routine, and also rewards and investors with regular dividends. So you can see some of the brands that it's probably in your house. You got all these other things, from baby care to family care to grooming to all these things. So I personally use a lot of their products, and I'm pretty much thinking you're using this as well. So if you're using it, might be a good idea to start thinking about maybe investing on it. Now, as we swing over to Simply Safe Dividend, Based on their dividend safety, they're rated as 99, which is very safe. You got your dividend yield of 2.54. Looking over to the key metrics, you see payout ratio of 60, 133 years without a reduction. Looking at the dividend growth, last 20 years 8%, last 5 years 6%, and then you got your latest of 3%. And then here is the thing, 133 years without a reduction, 67 years of consecutive increases. Payment details in the months of February, May, August, and November. Annual payout $3.76 per share. Now moving along to tip ranks. Based on their rating, they rated as a moderate buy with the average price of 162 with a 9% upside. You got your high of 175 and then your low of 154. And then the next one I want to talk about is Chevron. This is the ticker symbol is CVX. This is an oil and gas company. It is one of the solid dividend companies to invest on. Very popular among dividend investors. I also like this company. I think this is a solid company. So if you're looking for a oil and gas company, definitely this one is one you would consider. Looking at Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, they're rated as 90, which is very safe. Dividend yield of 4.26. Moving along to key metrics, you can see payout ratio is 43, forward payout ratio is 48, 111 years without a reduction. Last 20 years 7%, last 5 years 6%. You got your latest of 6%, and then you got 111 years without a reduction. 35 years of consecutive increases. Payment details, you get paid quarterly, the months of March, June, September, and December. And then your annual payout is $6.04 per share. Now looking over to tip ranks, they rated a strong buy with the average price of 178 with a 25% upside, with the highest price target of 200, and then you got your low of 148. And then for groceries, you can go to Walmart. So ticker symbol is WMT. This retail giant is practically in every area of the nation, provides goods and services throughout. So I'm one of the consumers of Walmart. I think this is my go-to area if I wanted to get anything from, diapers to cleaning utensils and cleaning supplies. Now moving along to Simply Safe Dividend, you got your dividend safety score of 90, which is very safe. Dividend yield of 1.40. Moving along to the key metrics, you can see a payout ratio is 35, forward payout ratio is 33, 49 years without a reduction. Now, if you look at the dividend growth, the last 20 years of 11%, 5 years of 2%, and then you got your latest is almost 2%. 49 years without a reduction, and then you got 49 years of consecutive increases. Payment details, get paid quarterly in the months of January, April, May, and September. Then you got your annual payout of $2.28 per share. And then the next one on the list, if you go to Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, they're rated as strong buy, and with the price target of 179, 10% upside, with the high of 196 and the low of 63. And then now going to the next one, which is another one in my opinion that everybody goes and shop, is Costco. The ticker symbol is COST. And now this is a company that, it's a retail warehouse giant where you can pretty much get any food, supplies, and anything. Dividend safety score of 99, which is very safe, and then you got your dividend yield of 0.58. Key metrics, you can see payout ratio is 27, and then you got your dividend streak of 19 years without reduction. Last 10 years 13%, last 5 years 12%, you got your latest of 13%. And then look at that, 19 years without a reduction, 19 years of consecutive increases. Payment details, you get paid quarterly, February, May, September, November. And then you got your annual payout of $4.08 per share. Going over now to tip ranks, based on their analysis, they rate it as strong buy with the average price target of 691. You got your high of 755, and then you got your low of 610. And then the last one I want to talk about, if you like coffee and you usually get your coffee, Starbucks. Ticker symbol is SBUX. Definitely a popular company when you're getting your coffee. I personally like Starbucks. Dividend safety score of 67, which is safe. You got your dividend yield of 2.44. And then going over to the key metrics, you can see dividend streak of 13 years without a reduction. Last 10 years, 17%. Latest is 5%. And you got your latest is 7% with the 13 years without a reduction. 13 years of consecutive increases. You can see the payment details quarterly in the months of February, April, May, August, and November. You got your annual payout, $2.28 per share. Going on out to tip ranks, you got moderate buy with the average price target of 109, 17% upside with the highest of 125, and then you got the lowest of 100. All right, guys, there are your 8 dividend companies that you pretty much, in my opinion, a lot of people buy on a daily basis. So if you buy these companies, chances are you like the company, you like the product, so why not you start investing in these companies? As always, please remember, stay cool, keep investing, and do your own research, guys, and definitely check out the other videos as well. There's great companies with dividend histories that, in my opinion, are great companies to invest on. Stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Right? Take care. Aloha.